Namaste students, this is Nandini. In today's class, we are going to learn a new lesson, Lost and Found. At the end of the session, you will be able to summarize the story in the form of paragraph, sequence the story in order, answer extract based questions. Yes, here this is a pep activity for you children. Here an incident happened. Let us see what was it. On a Sunday morning, a very expensive diamond necklace was reported missing from Karthik's house. He filed a complaint with the police. The police asked people working in the house, "What were you doing on Sunday morning?" For that, neighbors said, "I was in bed reading a book." Gardener said, "I was watering the plants." Security guard said, "I went to collect the mail from the post office." Households said, "I came late to work that Sunday." After listening to their responses, the police arrested the suspect immediately. Can you guess whom did the police arrest? Yes, very good. The police arrested the security guard. How did they know who stole the necklace? Yes, the police knew that the security guard was lying because post offices are closed on Sundays. Very good. Like another incident happened at school, children. Yes, that's a topic. The missing papers. This is the topic of the story. Let us see the characters in the story. Aditya, an English teacher. Shekhar, an electrician. Madan, a maths teacher. Madan, a maths teacher, he walked to the staff room of his school. The corridors filled with students. He pushed them and reached the staff room. 2 minutes later, he came running out of the room and looking disturbed and said, "Oh no." Yes, children, something was happened there, right? That is why he said, "Oh no." And also he looks disturbed. After few seconds, Madan ran down to the first floor. He started to search where an English class was going on. Maths teacher Madan sir called out English teacher Aditya sir for help. Who is Aditya sir? As I already told you, he is an English teacher, right? Aditya, the English teacher, was the smartest person in the school. He was also known for his quick wit and presence of mind. Also, he loved helping people. Aditya sir said, "Yes, Madan sir, why you look very upset? What is the matter?" he asked kindly. For that, Madan sir hesitated for a moment and said, "The master copy of the question paper for tomorrow's test is missing from my desk. If this gets out, it could be a big problem. The test could be cancelled and my job will be at risk. Please help me, Aditya sir." Yes, children, if the question paper gets out, what will happen? It could be a big problem, right? Madan sir's job also will be at risk. So, he decided to help Aditya sir. Then Aditya sir called one of his student Ashwin for help. Then the three of them went to the second floor. Yes, Aditya observed the staff room carefully. It was looked like someone searched for the question paper in the room. A couple of chairs were upside down. Aditya asked Madan that where was the master copy kept. For that, Madan sir pointed to the first desk which was nearest to the door. And Aditya sir asked Madan sir that who was the last person to leave the room. Madan sir said it was me. So no one else was in the room, said student Ashwin. Then they decided to check CCTV cameras. Shekhar was responsible for the electronics, the computers, and the cameras in the school. Aditya asked Shekhar to show the video footage of the last 1 hour for his corridor. Then Aditya and Shekhar walked to the computer lab and Shekhar punched in a few keys on the computer and the live feed from the cameras began to play. As the footage played, Aditya and Madan did not know whether to laugh or cry because a chatter of monkeys went quickly in the staff room. Aditya and Madan watched a great surprise as the monkeys unlocked the door and ran into the staff room. After 2 minutes, Aditya and Madan saw the monkeys running out of the staff room and towards a big mango tree. The monkeys were nibbling on a few pieces of fruit and had a few more with them in their hands. One of the monkeys was waving a bunch of papers in the air while running. As they flung themselves on the tree at great speed, the bunch of papers went flying into the air. Yes, the teacher who went after this incident said the staff room was a mess with the paper all around. Madan sir's table had been damaged. The front drawer also was open. Aditya and Madan also checked the mango tree and the area around it. Yes, children. Finally, Aditya and Madan found that monkeys took and played with the question paper. Yes. Yes. These are the new words from this lesson. Dejected, the sense disappointed. Baffled, the sense confused. At stake means at risk. Agitated, the sense disturbed. Yes, now it's time for question time. What was missing from the staff room? Can you say? Yes, very good. A max question paper was missing from the staff room. Who stole the master copy of Madan's question paper? The monkeys stole the master copy of the question paper. Why did Madan ask Aditya for help? Madan asked Aditya for help because he was the smartest person in school. He was also known for his presence of mind and for helping others. Yes, check your answers. What was missing from the staff room? The math question paper. Who stole the master copy of Madan's question paper? Yes, the monkey stole the master copy of the question paper. Why did Madan ask for help to Aditya? Yes, he was the smartest person in school, right? Thank you, children, for watching this video.